All right, picture this. The year is 2026, and a massive shift is happening right under our noses. For years, AI was just this back-end tool, right? A digital assistant that maybe helped draft an email. But not anymore. By 2026, AI is no longer just a passive chatbot. It's an active, autonomous agent, and it is fundamentally reshaping our entire financial reality. Welcome to The Explainer.
So let me ask you something. What if your money could actually think for itself? Imagine the dollars sitting in your bank account right now shifting from completely passive to ruthlessly proactive. We're talking about your money anticipating your needs and optimizing your wealth, literally without you ever lifting a single finger. Pretty wild, right?
Well, the market is absolutely betting the house on this. To put it into perspective, the AI finance sector is rocketing toward a staggering $190.3 billion by 2030. And the real driver here? It's the explosive convergence of generative AI, the stuff that creates, and agentic AI, the stuff that actually executes. It's a total top-to-bottom overhaul of our financial infrastructure.
Let's dive right into Section 1. Welcome to Agentic AI. So what we are looking at here is the complete decoupling of a bank's capacity from its human headcount. Historically, doing more meant hiring more, but not anymore. Bank executives are now sitting around asking, okay, what would you do if I gave you 10,000 more people tomorrow at zero cost? Agentic AI literally shatters those traditional capacity barriers. It integrates tens of thousands of digital employees seamlessly into the workforce to handle routine tasks at a massive scale.
Moving on to Section 2, Smart Money and Auto Transactions. For our entire lives, we've basically lived with dumb money, right? It's static. It just sits in a vault, locked up until a human actually gives it permission to move. But smart money, it's a whole different ballgame. It's programmable. It's agentic. It executes automatically based on predefined rules or AI-driven insights. It knows exactly when to transfer, invest, or save, perfectly tailored to your life's context.
And guys, the stakes here are absolutely astronomical. We're talking up to $13 trillion, trillion with a T, in cross-border transactions that could bypass traditional banking entirely, shifting over to these smart payment methods by 2030. If legacy banks don't adapt to smart money like right now, they are going to be left in the dust.
Just look at programmable money in action for a second. In global trade, we're seeing escrow on delivery. That means funds are instantly released the exact second a cargo scan hits a port. We've got automated compliance checks, milestone payouts. It completely strips all that friction and all those endless disputes out of the supply chain. We are talking about saving corporate treasuries tens of millions annually simply because the money enforces its own rules.
Now, let's switch gears a bit. Section 3, the 24/7 AI investor. Let's just be brutally honest for a second here. Human investors have one fatal flaw. And it's emotion, right? We panic sell during market crashes, we get way too greedy during bull runs. But AI brings this ruthless, emotion-free precision to the table. It processes literally millions of data points in real time, it never panics, and it executes calculated growth while the rest of the human market is out there losing its mind.
Take the Five9 all-rounder platform as an example. This isn't just some basic algorithm. It's hyper-personalized, proactive risk management. You get 24/7 real-time monitoring, automated risk management that catches market shifts way before they ever make the evening news. I mean, while a human advisor is reacting days late, this AI is simulating thousands of outcomes and doing smart volatility rebalancing instantly.
Your wealth is seamlessly and dynamically allocated across stocks, bonds, gold, global indices, the whole shebang. And the primary goal here is pure preservation. The AI dynamically shifts these assets around to protect your capital before you even realize the market took a hit. It's basically having an elite personal fund manager in your pocket that literally never sleeps.
All right, Section 4, AI bots negotiating your bills.
Okay, this is the Kudos AI agent workflow, and honestly, it is mind-blowing. Check this out. Step 1, the AI scans your bills looking for overpayments. Step 2, it actually calls the company's customer service on the phone. Yes, really. Step 3, the AI literally speaks on your behalf, haggling to lower your rate. And Step 4, you save money. It's zero effort on your part and maximum corporate headache for them.
Kudos CEO Tikwe Anazondo sums it up perfectly. He says, most people overpay on bills because companies rely on friction to protect their margins. We built an AI agent that doesn't get tired. I love that. For decades, corporations have weaponized crazy hold times and tedious cancellation processes. But now, AI is finally leveling the playing field with tireless, automated persistence.
And you know what? This friction-free reality won't just live on your phone screen anymore. Big tech is actively dragging AI right into the physical world. With the rise of AI-native wearables, we are quickly entering the era of ambient AI. Pretty soon, your financial agent will be a constant, context-aware companion, managing your money in the background as you literally just walk down the street.
But we have to talk about the flip side. Section 5, the AI fraud arms race. Because here is the dark side of this financial utopia. 78%. That is how many financial institutions are expecting a massive surge in fraud powered by these exact same agentic systems. Fraud is no longer some manual process. It has evolved into a scalable, continuously optimized, automated threat.
The reality is, traditional, rules-based banking defenses are completely dead. Criminals are generating synthetic identities, essentially blending real and fake data at a scale we've never seen. They are deploying deepfakes to completely bypass those biometric voice and video checks we thought were so secure. And they are unleashing automated phishing, these relentless, highly personalized attack loops that just hammer a bank's defenses 24/7 until they find a crack. So how do banks even survive this? Well, they have to fight AI with AI. The old method of tracking fraud after the money is already gone, obsolete. The new gold standard is pre-transaction decisioning. We're talking about adaptive AI models analyzing massive amounts of data across every single channel to neutralize threats in milliseconds, literally before a single cent even moves. It is a high-speed, invisible war happening every day.
Which brings us to our final point. Section 6, the era of unconstrained banking.
We are witnessing the ultimate collision of digital assets, entirely new business models, and agentic AI. Industry experts are literally calling this the Netflix moment for banking. All those historical constraints on technology, corporate structure, and human imagination, they are shattering. The old legacy systems are dying out, and they're being replaced by fluid, intelligent, hyperfast networks.
So what does this actually mean for you at the end of the day? It boils down to a very simple concept: zero effort, maximum returns. Your personal AI agent will seamlessly analyze the market, move your deposits to the highest yields every single day, and refinance your loans at the absolute cheapest rates automatically. It's your entire financial life, perfectly optimized in the background.
It really is a breathtaking future, isn't it? But, it does leave us with one incredibly profound question. Think about it. In a world where AI agents negotiate our bills, invest our life savings, and automatically move our money around the globe, when AI controls the money, who really controls the AI? It's a massive shift in power, and understanding it is absolutely the key to your future. Thanks for joining me on this explainer, and I'll catch you next time.